In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Binance referral ID and make more money in just 5 minutes. This quick guide is perfect for those who are new to Binance or anyone looking to maximize their earnings on the platform. With these simple steps, you'll be set up and ready to go in no time. First things first, you'll want to open up the Binance app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, ensure that you're logged into your account. This is essential as you'll need access to your account information to retrieve your referral ID. If you're not logged in, simply enter your credentials to gain access to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to a special section within the app. Look for the option labeled More. It's usually found towards the lower part of your screen, often represented by an icon with several dots or a menu-like appearance. Tap on it and you'll be presented with a variety of options and features that Binance offers. Now, from the comprehensive list of options that appear, search for Referral. This is the section we need to explore to discover your unique referral ID. Tap on Referral and you'll be taken to a page dedicated to helping you share and earn with Binance. On this referral page, you'll find your referral ID and a unique referral link. These are the keys to earning through Binance's referral program. The referral ID is a simple set of numbers, while the referral link is a URL that leads new users to the Binance sign-up page through your account. It's a straightforward system designed to reward you for bringing new users onto the platform. Once you've located your referral ID and link, the next step is to share them. You can copy the link directly from the app to your clipboard. From there, use your preferred method of communication to share it with friends, family, or fellow crypto enthusiasts. Whether it's through social media, an email, or a direct message, the more people who use your link to sign up and trade, the more you'll earn in commissions. To maximize your potential earnings, consider sharing some tips on the benefits of using Binance and how easy it is to get started. Your personal endorsement can go a long way in encouraging others to sign up. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to find your Binance referral ID and boost your earnings quickly. By following these steps, you can turn your crypto enthusiasm into a profitable venture. Thanks for watching and happy earning.